Hello, and welcome to Net at Work's Sage X3 Vertical Market Solutions series. In this video, we'll discuss the regulatory compliance challenges faced by chemical manufacturers and how Sage X3 can help you tackle these challenges head-on. Chemical manufacturers and distributors face numerous regulatory compliance challenges, including navigating complex regulations, ensuring full traceability of raw materials and finished products, managing safety data sheets, and complying with stringent labeling requirements. They must also implement rigorous quality control processes, adhere to environmental regulations, maintain thorough documentation, and ensure supply chain compliance. Managing these aspects involves significant risk mitigation to avoid legal issues, financial penalties, and reputational damage. Sage X3 addresses these challenges by automating documentation workflows, providing real-time visibility, standardizing quality assurance, and facilitating comprehensive compliance management, ensuring adherence to industry regulations and enhancing operational efficiency. At the core of X3 is the Product Master. This is the central source of product information, and for this video, we'll be working with an acrylic gloss paint product. When I jump into my Regulatory Properties tab, you can see all chemicals used to produce this product, along with their CAS numbers. Sage X3 is integrated with the LALI database, ensuring you have up-to-date regulatory information for each chemical component, and assisting with the management and tracking of hazardous substances while automatically generating compliant safety data sheets. In the SDS function for this acrylic gloss paint product, you can see we have the safety data sheet that's associated with it. Here, we have identified and are tracking all the information required from an SDS standpoint, including handling and storage, hazards, composition, and first aid, along with all the necessary information to remain compliant with regulatory standards. You can easily update the SDS as regulations change or as new information becomes available, ensuring continuous compliance. For example, here you can see that revision 1 of this SDS is obsolete, while the current version is active. Sage X3 also provides tools for distributing these sheets to customers and employees, ensuring that everyone has access to the critical safety information they need. The Product Master also allows you to track various chemical properties such as colors, decomposition temperature, and density, improving quality control and compliance with safety regulations. In the GHS tab, you can track all necessary information for global harmonization standards, enabling you to print GHS-compliant labels directly from the system. Using our restrictive inventory functionality, you can establish a product customer link that restricts sales to unauthorized customers, thereby enhancing security, compliance, and customer management within your inventory system. Sage X3's lot traceability function enables seamless tracking of ingredients from procurement through production and distribution, ensuring comprehensive traceability for rapid identification and resolution of safety concerns or recalls. For instance, if a supplier informs us of a faulty lot, we can input the raw material code and faulty lot number, then click Search. Now, the system displays all finished goods and recipes using this raw material, enabling rapid identification of all potentially affected batches. The system also shows customer deliveries with the affected material and provides quick access to delivery transactions and contact info, expediting customer notification efforts. This is an example of forward traceability, and the same logic applies to tracing ingredients from a finished product, also referred to as backward traceability. By inputting the product and lot number, the system displays all ingredients used to produce this specific lot, ensuring thorough and efficient backward traceability in the event of safety concerns or a product recall. From a document management perspective, Sage X3 offers robust capabilities to track, record, and maintain a comprehensive history of all necessary documentation, ensuring compliance and preserving an audit trail. Within the Delivery function, Sage X3 allows you to generate a bill of lading for deliveries. These documents, including the SDS and other required forms, can be customized with your company logo and specific fields to better meet the needs of your business. Sage X3 also enhances document sharing capabilities, enabling automatic distribution to customers and suppliers when required. For example, you can configure workflows to automatically email customers copies of the SDS, Certificate of Analysis, and Bill of Lading whenever a delivery transaction is generated. This reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and ensures consistent adherence to regulatory requirements. To sum it up, Sage X3 is an essential solution for chemical manufacturers striving to meet rigorous regulatory compliance standards. With comprehensive tools for batch and lot traceability, formula and recipe management, quality control, and document management, Sage X3 enhances compliance, improves operational efficiency, and strengthens risk management. By leveraging Sage X3, you can confidently navigate the regulatory landscape, safeguard product quality and safety, and maintain a competitive edge in the chemical industry. Thank you for watching our regulatory compliance video, one of 4 in Net@Work's Chemical Manufacturing series. If you have questions, would like to see the other videos, or are ready to schedule a personalized demo to experience Sage X3's exceptional capabilities firsthand, please reference our contact information shown on the screen. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.